Welcome to watch Freshliant's operation video for SIM card replacement, Fresh Tracker 10E or 10 multi-use. Step 1. Remove the 7 screws on the back cover. Step 2. Open the back cover and locate the SIM card slot. Step 3. Gently push the SIM card slot in the direction of the arrow. You will hear a soft click. Step 4. Remove the old SIM card and insert the new one. Step 5. Push the slot back into place gently until you hear another soft click. Step 6. Reattach the back cover and tighten all 7 screws. The SIM card replacement is now complete.